Today we will use 5 ingredients to make creme brulee, flan, and custard.
Same ingredients, same recipe.
Our grandpa Sabat's favorite desserts.
The best part is no oven needed. Hey kids, my name is Mohammed.
And I'm Maya.
And she is
Honey.
Right before the video begins, we have a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers by August.
It would mean so much if you would hit that subscribe button and support us to continue making simple, delicious,
And healthy
videos.
Now, back to the show.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious,
And healthy.
where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves and make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload.
This week's shoutouts go to... If you would like a shoutout in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you would like us to make. We are running an amazing giveaway.
Don't miss out. Check the description below. Let us know in the comment section below if you would like us to make donuts.
The ingredients we need are the yolk of 6 organic cage-free eggs,
You can use the egg whites for omelets or meringue.
2 cups of organic whole-fat milk,
2/3 cup of organic raw cane sugar,
2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter softened at room temperature.
1 teaspoon of pectin, which is a healthy substitute for cornstarch.
This recipe calls for a vanilla bean.
It gives the custard a rich and amazing flavor.
You can substitute that with 2 tablespoons of non-alcoholic vanilla extract with vanilla bean seeds.
1 teaspoon of this vanilla extract equals 1 whole vanilla bean. We are using 2 teaspoons for extra taste. In a medium-sized pot, combine the milk and the vanilla and give it a quick whisk.
Place over medium-low. Remove just before boil and set it aside.
In a separate bowl, combine the eggs and the sugar and
Whisk until light in color.
add the pectin.
Mix in 1 tablespoon of butter. Whisk until well combined. Now we are going to temper the eggs. Wait, what is tempering?
This is when we gradually add the hot milk in, so we can bring the temperatures closer together. If we were to add all the hot milk in at once, the eggs will cook and become scrambled. Whisk quickly.
After whisking, we will strain it while pouring it into the pot over medium-high.
Keep on mixing until it starts to thicken and you see bubbles.
Remove from heat and add the rest of the butter in.
Whisk very good.
Now we are going to let it chill in the refrigerator.
A skin will form on top. We personally love it. If you don't care for it, you can always cover the top with a plastic wrap so no skin will form. For the creme brulee, pour the hot custard in the ramekin bowls. Let it chill in the fridge for about an hour or until firm. Take it out, cover the top with sugar, and caramelize it with a kitchen torch.
For the custard, you could enjoy it the way it is, or as a filling for donuts, eclairs, and pastries. You could also double the amount to make it more fluffier by adding our 3-ingredient whipping cream. You could add as much or as little as you wish, depending on the need and the taste. Link in the description below. For the flan, place the caramel on the bottom of the glass bowl. Pour the hot custard on top. Refrigerate for about an hour or until firm. Take out, flip, and enjoy.
Check Instagram for photos of all our recipes so far, and be sure to tag SDH whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
Bismillah!
You hear that? Mmm. This is literally the best creme brulee I've ever eaten. So good. Honey, do you want custard, flan, or creme brulee? You want custard? I like it too. Amazing. One recipe for all of this. Mmm. I love creme brulee.
I love the flan. You can't tell the difference between homemade and store-bought, but you know this is healthy and you know what's in it.
Yup, you guessed it right. No artificial colors or flavors or any of that weird stuff they put in it.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing,
Liking.
and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos.
And as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy. Add. Okay, that.
No, just talk, just talk.
Okay, like how can I look? Add the pepper. Today we will use 5 recipes. 5 ingredients.
Before we begin...
1 teaspoon of this vanilla extract equals 1 whole vanilla bean seed. We love the clear plastic. We love that. This is when we gradually add the hot milk in, so the temperature will closer together. This is when we gradually, was that too fast? This is when we gradually add the sugar, not sugar. Fatty?
After whisking, we will strain it. After mixing, we will strain it while pouring it in. After whisking it, we will strain it while pouring it into the pot over medium-high.
Go.